Hey everyone, hopefully you can hear me. Got the fans running, keep mosquitoes off me. Today we're going to put that bad boy on. The old fittings here. So you want to start with the rear, which would be this line right here. You want to put that one on first. And if you notice, there's some flares down in there. Hopefully you can see that. I'm not sure if you can or not, but that's going to be your sealing surface up in there. So you want to put that in. You want to put the hose tube in first, and then just spin that fitting up to be hand tight. Next, you want to line up this next one. Same thing, put it in, twist it by hand, and get it kind of snugged up, which is easier said than done because it's at a weird angle. I'm going to have to loosen this a little bit. Just give me a little flexibility. There she goes. She's going now. You don't want to cross thread those. That's big time problems later on down the road. So you want to get those as snug as you can get by hand. Alright, so next you're going to want to use a 3/8 flange wrench if you have it. If you don't, a regular 3/8 wrench will work. Just be careful not to round off the corners of the flare nut. And as you can see, it really only took a couple turns there. This one probably going to need a couple more just from where it's at. And again, this is a lot easier to do if you don't have the body on the frame, but when you do have the body on the frame, this is how you do it. And there she's tight. So now we'll pull this out, put the banjo nut and all in, and tighten her all up and get some alignment. So next we gotta take this little plastic piece out. So we got some long nose pliers. We're gonna wrestle this thing out. Hopefully, maybe not. I've had this out. There we go. Just need to get a good enough grip. Alright, so I have the brake indicator already on the banjo. That's kind of how it came off. I have taken them apart to clean them, but I feel like it's going to be easier to do it all together. You're going to need your crush washers. The big one will go over it so it slides up like that. Next, we'll kind of slide like that. Okay. And then we take the other crush washer and put her on like that. Now, try to get this whole kit and caboodle up there, which we just did. And we got a little twist in there. So hopefully as we tighten up, and I might have to loosen that up a little bit. There we go. Just needed to put a little slack in it. Anyway, it's 3/4. I got a 3/4 stubby here. Yeah, there goes that flashlight. And you get the idea. Lots of little turns to tighten it up. Because there's just not a lot of space here. Sometimes you can get a little grip on it. You don't have to use the wrench. You just get it past that point where it's a little stuck, and you just get it to turn. And we're almost there. Maybe another 20 turns. No, I'm not keeping track. We're getting close now. And my wife is sweeping up above me, so I got stuff raining down on top of me, which is always fun. Alright, we're almost there. Alright. And there she goes. She's about tight right there. Alright. We don't want to go too crazy, but we do want her good and secure. Again, get her tight, but don't go crazy. See if I can get a full size wrench on there. And give her one last up. There we go. Kind of one of those straight, the connector straight, just to make it easier to wire up. So that's how you do it. I hope that helps. Thanks, y'all.